Hello there and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. For those of you that have been following us on our social media platforms, at Sunshine Resources we pride ourselves in teaching skills and skill acquisition capable of turning people into entrepreneurs. On our YouTube channel, for example, we have dozens and dozens of video resources on how to make different household products. We simply bring industrial skills to your home. We simplify and demystify industrial skills for you. We teach you the chemistry for entrepreneurship by trying to create an edge over classroom chemistry. This we do by connecting chemistry and business directly. We deliver the skills in a simple domestic manner to you. And so if you are new to this channel, I suggest to click on the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. As part of our resources, we have developed 3 ebooks: the Sunshine Resources Production Guideline, which is the 2020 edition, and the Chemistry for Entrepreneurship and Production Guideline, which is the 2021 edition. We also have the 3rd ebook on how to create and sell digital products. Now, to place an order on any of our ebooks, I have dropped some links in the description box below this video. I've also included a link to our YouTube channel in case you want to check out our resources. Today in this particular video, as part of our free product, I'm going to show you how to make water-based disinfectant, also known as Dettol. In our previous video edition, we have produced disinfectants such as Dettol using spirit base. Now there is a slight difference between spirit-based disinfectant and water-based disinfectant. In the water-based disinfectant, water is used as the base solvent and the ingredient, phenol, is not used. Please take note of the following precautions as you go through this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Now the following materials are used in the preparation of water-based disinfectant. These are pine oil, Texapon, chlorxylenol, isopropyl alcohol, color, and distilled water. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 1 liter of disinfectant. Pine oil 30 ml, Texapon 20 gram, chlorxylenol 60 ml, isopropyl alcohol 500 ml, color a teaspoon, and distilled water 500 ml. Now these are the materials. This is pine oil, this is Texapon, chlorxylenol, isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA, distilled water, and color. Now put the Texapon into a container or beaker and add pine oil to it. Stir the solution until all the Texapon gel dissolves. Now add your chlorosilanol to the solution and stir very well. Now pour 500 ml of isopropyl alcohol into another container and add 500 ml of distilled water to it. Here we are using equal volumes of water and isopropyl alcohol, IPA. Please ensure that the volume of water does not exceed that of IPA, otherwise your final product will not blend well and it will separate. Now add the initially prepared solution of Texapon, pan oil and chlorosilanol to the distilled water and IPA solution. Stir the final solution properly. Now dissolve your color in a small quantity of water and add to the solution. Please note that the water used to dissolve the color is part of the 500 ml distilled water. Do not add any additional water to it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our water-based disinfectant is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.